everyone, Mathematics 5. Our module is all about percent in mathematical problems. In this module, we'll be tackling about relating percentages to decimals, ratios, and fractions. Also, word problem solving about percentages. Our first topic is relating percentages to decimals, ratios, and fractions. So what is a percentage? The name percentage comes from the word percent, which also means for every 100. The percent sign is this. Now let's have an example. So we have here 100 squared, and also we have here 50 yellow squares. There are 50 yellow small squares out of 100 squares. Therefore, 50% of the squares are yellow. How do you do this? How do you solve this? Given 50 out of 100 or 50 over 100 are yellow squares. So by solving this one, 50 yellow squares divided by 100 squares times 100% is equal to 50% yellow squares. Another example of which is this: 25 green squares and 40 blue squares. Therefore, we have 25% green squares and 40% blue squares. Given 25 out of 100 are green squares, and also 40 out of 100 or 40 over 100 are blue squares. So, in solving such, we have here 25 green squares over 100 squares times 100% is equal to 25% green squares. Also for the blue squares, we have here 40 blue squares divided by 100 squares times 100% is equal to 40% blue squares. Let's have another example. So we have here 25 squares with 13 orange squares. So how do you solve this? So we have here a given 13 out of 25 squares are orange, or 13 over 25 are orange squares. So we have here the solution: 13 orange squares over 25 squares times 100% is equal to 42 orange squares. So did you know that a percent can be related to fractions, ratios, and decimals? Now I'll give you an example. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dark sticks, and we have here 1, 2, 3 light sticks. For getting the percentage of the dark sticks, we have 6 dark sticks over 9 overall sticks, which is equal to 2/3 if simplified. 2/3 to the percentage form, 2/3 times 100% is equal to 67.77%. From percentage form to decimal form, we have here 67.77% over 100% is equal to 0.6777. Another example of which is we have here 1, 2 soccer balls, and also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 basketballs. So for soccer balls, we have 2 soccer balls over 8 overall balls. So this would equal to 1/4 if simplified. So 1/4 to percentage form, we have 1/4 times 100% is equal to 25%. So 25% to decimal form, we have 25% over 100% is equal to 0.25. So if you have noticed, percentages are related to fractions and decimals.